Hey guys, I was gonna try to go through my toolbox and put things in order. Thought I'd make a little vlog. Got me some rope, glue, screwdrivers out the wazoo, square, more little bitty ones. Biggest saw you ever saw. Got plenty of bits. There's Old Faithful. Man, I got this thing and it had matches and needle and thread in it. There we go. A little level. Batteries. Bits. More batteries. And what that goes to. Wire pliers. Or a cutter. Like fishing string, of course, all over the place. Another square. Like, that comes in handy, believe it or not. Like, scrape off your windshield during the winter. Okay. If you're a redneck like me. So I got plenty of daggum little sockets. Extension. More batteries. More wire or something. Another. Hey, these little things come in handy, you know. And some good wrenches. I see a couple of bits stuck, you know. It's pathetic I ain't done. I got Mother's little pink level. Oh my goodness. More wires. That figures. There we go. Hey, scrub yourself good with that, daggone it. Some more little bits. What is this? Screws. Looks like from their Allen's. More screwdrivers. More screwdrivers. Hey, got the miniatures. Like, ain't nothing wrong with that. Flat and Phillips. And more. I got enough needle nose, I ought to be able to grab something. Daggone it. Oh, one of my Allens. Come off my chain. Some more extensions. and plenty of bits. There's more bits. I'll probably find some extras in here. I think that's what I need to use my trays for. Ain't got nothing to adjust them in. I guess I can put like the littler ones in one, the bigger ones in the other. I know this may be boring to some, but hey, it's my vlog for today. Dang, got to put up content, you know. That's a little duster. Maybe I'll get done with these little things in a minute. Move on to something else. There you go. Oh, there's a little flathead. You get it out. Put it with what it needs to be going with. Yep. See, some of these are missing one. Nah. That is missing one. Get in there. There you go. Got another one. Always got one extra somewhere. Okay. Two extra. We'll throw them to the side. Adjustable. Yeah, like that. Watch me get everything in here and then it not want to close or some bull crap. But I ought to have enough stuff I can work on something if I need to. There you go. There's another extra. Let's see. I probably, but wait a minute. Some of them could go to this. move them back in there. That way I'll have that tray open for something else. Yeah. Still got one extra, dadgummit. Maybe I'll have another. That one's full. There we go. I'll just stick it in that one. Stick it in anything it'll stick in. Kind of thing. Alright. Yeah. I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty neat. Come on. Unscrew. Oh. My goodness. Yeah. They if I can get it out. Well, shoot. What good is it gonna do you if you can't get the doggone thing out? Guess you'd bleed to death before you can sew yourself up. There you go. Or freeze to death before you can start a fire. What's going on? Crazy thing. Get out of there, you crazy. Alright, there you go. Sorry for the bumping around. I didn't know life's supports and helps and needs is so hard to deal with. Because I'm quite sure if you get a pretty good cut, it would come in handy to have a little bit of thread. Dadgummit, I'm gonna need some tools to get that out with. Oh, here we go. Alright. Matches. A striker. That little brown thing right there is a striker to strike your matches. A button. And a little bit of thread. Some red and blue is thread and some white. My goodness. Was hard to get into there. Hard to, oh, check that out. Compass inside of it. Where am I at? Dadgummit. Am I in the south, east, west, or north? Somebody tell me. Talk to me. My goodness. Kind of hard to do one-handed. There we go. Survival knife. Yeah. You have to make your own survival before you can work with that doggone thing. I pray your cut ain't too daggum bad. I might ought to put my saws and all that down there first. Get them kind of out the way. Ain't that the biggest saw you ever seen? There you go. And then, I suppose, these packs. Some rope. Never know when you might need some rope. I got these out there at the Harbor Freights. Got some pretty good stuff out there. Put my wrenches in here. My wire pliers. All my little screwdrivers. Bit, look at that. Put my hammer back in there. That gum. I love that little thing. It works. There you go. Batteries. I don't know if I ought to go ahead and take these out or not, because I can snap them out. Like that, so. I might just keep them in it. If I can close my lid. That's going to be the thing. If I can close it. If not, I may have to take them out of it. Oh me. Little stuff there. I'll keep it on top, I guess. And this big gum stuff, this old fishing wire for the birds. That's a fact, Jack. Don't need no cords in there that I know of. I may have to take that out, sure enough. Now I know a lot of you women ain't gonna like, oh, I don't wanna watch no tools video. Well, this is my vlog for today. But hey, you'll be surprised sometime women locking things. There you go. Well, now here's a big one. Ooh-wee. About the biggest I ever seen. There you go. Okay. See if I can get my tray to stay. Put that in there. Put my Allens in it. Still got some extras. I don't know what that's for. Okay. Well, that's pretty well got her. What do you think? Better gum right. Now is he gonna close? That's the $1,000,000 question. That one did. That one did. Oh yeah. Alright guys, hey, look here. Thanks for watching my vlog. Love every one of you.